जय विजय एवरीवन। शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो शुभ करता है, कल्याण करता है, आरोग्य रखता है, धन संपदा करता है और शत्रु बुद्धि का विनाश करता है, ऐसे दीप यानी दीपक की रोशनी को मैं नमन करता हूँ।
Hello students, so today we are going to start chapter number 2 from grammar. Our chapter number 2 is the use of prepositions. Now let's start. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. It shows what relationship that noun or pronoun has with some other word or phrase. See the examples. On the table, the book on the table. In the basket, the eggs in the basket. Now see next one. With me, went with me. Into the river, fell into the river. First of all, we will see some examples, then it will be easy for you to understand the prepositions. Let's see. First of all, we will learn preposition for time. ऐसे वाले preposition जो time के साथ use होते हैं. Now let's see. 8. When we have to use 8 times of a day. At 4 o'clock, at 10:30, at noon, at midnight. In these all words you need to use at. Meal time, at lunch time, at dinner time. Holidays, at Christmas, at Easter, at the weekend. Expression, at present, at the moment, at the night. In these all words you need to use at. Now in. For the month we use in. In April, in May, in June, in July. Seasons. All the seasons take in. In the summer, in the spring, in the winter. Years. In 1990, in 1980, in 2021. Decades. Okay. In the decades मतलब कि सारे tense में. In the 90s, in the 80s, in the 20s ऐसे करके. Now centuries. In the 20th century. Centuries में भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? in the 20th century. Long period. In the ice age, in the present, in the past. This kind of word also we use in. Parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. See, we have already know that we use 8 in the noon for noon and midnight. Okay, we have to use in for the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Now see, on. When we have to use on? For days. On Sunday, on Monday, on Saturday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day, on Halloween, on Diwali, on vacation. Okay. Now see, on vacation नहीं आएगा, on Christmas and on my birthday ऐसे वाले words. Dates. सारी dates में भी हम on use करेंगे. On 15th June, on 20th May, on our anniversary. Now, parts of the specific day. On Monday morning, on Friday evening, on Saturday night, on Sunday afternoon. Days के नाम ले रहे हैं हम आगे तो फिर उसमें on ही आएगा. Okay, now see. Now preposition for place. Now we will use preposition for place. See, these are the preposition for place. Okay. In and inside the box. In and inside कब आता है? जब बॉक्स में कोई चीज होता है, then we use in and inside. Under the box. बॉक्स के नीचे, that is under the box. On the box. बॉक्स के ऊपर. Above the box. बॉक्स के ऊपर भी नहीं, उसके ऊपर से, then it is the above. Behind. बॉक्स के पीछे, then we use behind. बॉक्स के बाजू में, near the box. बॉक्स के आगे, in front of the box. दो बॉक्स के बीच में, between of the box. अप एंड डाउन, अगर बॉक्स के ऊपर से जा रहा है तो अप, नीचे आ रहे हैं देन डाउन. ओवर द बॉक्स, सी अबोव एंड ओवर, देखो आप ओवर द बॉक्स में क्या हो रहा है, बॉक्स में से जंप कर रहे हैं, बॉक्स ओपन है और इसके ऊपर से जंप कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ओवर द बॉक्स. थ्रू द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के अंदर से ऐसे बाहर से झांकना. अलोंग द बॉक्स, सारे बॉक्स के बीच में, अलोंग द बॉक्स. पास द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के बाजू में से गुजरना, दैट इज पास द बॉक्स. टू द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के बाजू में आना, टू द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के बाजू से जाना, उसके वहां से जाना, दैट इज अवे फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. बॉक्स के अंदर, इनटू द बॉक्स, ओके, हाफ अंदर है हाफ बाहर है, जंप किया अंदर, दैट इज इनटू द बॉक्स. सी नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के अंदर से बाहर जंप करना, दैट इज आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. बॉक्स के आगे पीछे, दैट इज अराउंड द बॉक्स. ओके, नाउ you all have to remember these words and you have to write down in your notebook also. Okay, now we will see what is in the textbook. Okay, the most commonly used preposition in English are at, in, to, by, of, on, off, for, out, till, into, with, near, over, until, after, from, since, upon, down, along, about, round, out of, during, before, among, behind, against, next to, without, toward, towards, through, between, in front of. These all are the prepositions. Now let's see. You can give yourself plus AA grade if you can put all the above preposition in sentence of your own. Okay. We are giving here some general rules about the use of some prepositions. However, the proper use of preposition can be learned by practice only. Okay, now see, the two most type of prepositions are preposition of time and preposition of place, which I already told you. After his death, मतलब उनकी death के बाद, at 6 o'clock, by next month, during the holidays, for many years, from 6th April, in the afternoon, late into the night, on Monday, since yesterday, slept through the night, waited till morning, 10 minutes to 12, until his death, rise with the sun, within a month. Okay, now next are the preposition for place. Looked about the room, ran across the road, sat among the girls, stayed at home, then stood before the door, hid behind the curtain, trains between Delhi and Ambala, came from Agra, clouds in the sky, fell into the well, the park near our house, the book on the table, went around the market, passed through the forest, came to our house, then ran towards me, stood under the tree, climbed up the hills, jumped upon the table. These are the common prepositions. The following preposition needs special notice. In. In is used with the names of countries and large towns. At is used with the small localities, town and villages. They live in Delhi. Okay. In जो है वो हमें countries और large towns के name में use करना है. And at जो है वो हमें small areas, locations और village के लिए use करना है. They live in Delhi. He lives in America. He lives at model town in Ludhiana. Okay, see the difference कि लुधियाना में जो एक मॉडल टाउन के प्लेस है वहां पे वो रहता है. That's why we have used here it. In used for this, in used for things at rest. Into is used for things in motion. See, into जो है वो जो following जो motion में चल रहा मतलब कि कोई भी movement हो रही है उसके लिए यूज होता है. Okay, she was in bed, वो बेड में थी स्थिर. Okay, stable है. He jumped into the river, उसने रिवर में जंप कर दिया, वो मूवमेंट चल रहा है. ओके, सो दैट इज he jumped into the river. On is used for things at rest. Upon is used for things in motion. इनटू अपॉन दोनों मोशंस में यूज होते हैं. इन और ऑन जो स्टेबल पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए, स्टेबल चीज के लिए यूज होते हैं. आई वॉज सिटिंग ऑन माई चेयर, में मेरी चेयर पे बैठा था. अ कैट स्प्रैंग अपॉन द टेबल, एक कैट ने टेबल के ऊपर से जंप कर दिया. टिल इज यूज फॉर टाइम, टू इज यूज फॉर प्लेस. ही स्लेप्ट टिल 8 o'clock, वो रात को 8 o'clock तक सोया. He climbed to the top of the hill, उसने टॉप ऑफ द हिल के ऊपर से जंप कर दिया, क्लाइंबिंग कर दिया, चढ़ गया. ओके. Which is used for instrument, by is used for an agent. The thief was beaten with a stick. The thief was caught by the policeman. By जो है वो किसी के द्वारा किया गया है, उसके लिए यूज होता है by, और with जो किससे किया उसके लिए with यूज होता है. For is used for period of time. Since is used for point of time. I haven't seen him for 2 days. मैंने उसको 2 days तक नहीं देखा है. I haven't seen him since Monday. मैंने उसको Monday से नहीं देखा है. मैंने उसको 2 days तक नहीं देखा, for 2 days, और मैंने उसको Monday से नहीं देखा है, मतलब कि कंटिन्यू चालू है अभी. ओके. Between is used for 2 person or things. Among is used for more than 2 person. अगर आपको 2 person की बात करनी है, you will use between. अगर आपको 2 से ज्यादा persons की बात करनी है, you will use more, among. Now, there was a fight between the two brothers. The villagers were fighting among themselves. Note the expression used with at, in, on as prepositions of time. At, in, and on. At night, at noon, at 10:30, at midnight, at 8 o'clock, at Christmas. In is used with months. In April, in 2005, in season, Saraki spring and summer, in the morning, in the afternoon. On Sundays, on Mondays, on 17th March, on Friday evening, on New Year's Day, on Monday morning. Now, note the expression used in at, in, and on. At is used with at home, at school, at the top, at his desk, at the door, at the party, at the bottom, at Roy's house. In used with in bed, in a room, in the sky, in a hospital, in a picture, in a garden, in the street, in a newspaper. On a wall, on a shelf, on a plate, on the way, on the floor, on the ceiling, on the first floor, on a bus, train or plane. Okay, with this kind of words we use on. Now see the exercise. Okay. Okay. I bought it for a rupee. I bought it for a rupee. क्या आएगा इसमें? Okay, I bought it. Here we will write, I bought it for a rupee. Now, you may write with pencil. आपको pencil से लिखना चाहिए. Then, our cat was killed by a dog. Put your books on the table. We went to Shimla by a car. Okay, we have been waiting for an hour. He has been absent since Monday. Wait for me at the bus stop. Now there was a bridge over the river. There was a bridge. Again, 9 number. There was a bridge. Wait for me at the bus stop. Wait for me at the bus stop. There was a bridge over the river. Then she spoke to me in English. Then it has been raining since yesterday. Then they reached home at midnight. Then I have been working for 3 hours. I have known him for long time. He goes to church. On Sunday. Okay. Then the river was flowing under the bridge. Then he started at 6 in the morning. Come at 9:30 on Friday. I don't want to go to school on Sundays. Now he traveled 7 miles in 2 hours. Then I hope to reach the station in an hour. The child has been missing since yesterday. Then there's no bus. We will have to go on foot. Now he does not leave his house before. इसमें हम before after दोनों यूज कर सकते हैं. आप before भी लिख सकते हो, after भी यूज लिख सकते हो. Don't go out in the train without umbrella. Then the teacher was sitting on a desk in the class. He spoke to me with his hands in pocket. Then you can reach the station by bus in 10 minutes. Okay, students, you have to write down all this fill up in textbook only. Okay, now next is prepositions. When a prepositions govern a question word, when a question word is the object of a preposition, the preposition is usually placed at the end of the sentence. Of what is table made? Okay, so हमें क्या करना है, जब ये preposition questions में convert हो जाते हैं तो ये कहाँ पे आ जाएंगे? Of last में आ जाएंगे preposition. Of what is table made? What is the table made of? In which class are you? Which class are you in? Okay, the use of whom after preposition in avoided in a spoken English. We can use who in place of whom by putting the preposition at the end of the sentence as for whom are you waiting. अगर हमें preposition को इसमें use करने हैं whom में तो कैसे करेंगे? For whom are you waiting, तो हम क्या कर देंगे, for को पीछे लगा देंगे, who are you waiting for. Now see, we have to make these questions. Okay, to whom is she talking? See, okay, तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस और जो है वो अब हम लाइव क्लास में करेंगे. आप सारा इतना कंप्लीट कर लो, बाकी का सारा हम लाइव क्लास में करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय. एक पेज है वो हम लाइव क्लास में करेंगे और आप खुद को ट्राई करना है, आपको इसके क्वेश्चंस आप खुद बनाओगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय.